Hello and welcome. This is Irfan Lodi and today we are going to learn about activity relationships in Primavera. I am very excited to teach you about this topic because activity relationships is the most important part in order to prepare any schedule in Primavera. What is activity relationship? In a simple words, it is dependency between two or more activities. The activity which controls the start date of the following activity or activities is called predecessor activity. The activity which is controlled by the predecessor activity or activities is called successor activity. I am sure you can easily learn how to assign activity relationships in Primavera if you watch this video to the end. Are you ready? Alright. Before we move on, let me tell you what we have covered in the previous lecture. In lecture number 1, we have covered how to add a project in Primavera, how to add WBS, work breakdown structure, and activities in Primavera. Also in lecture number 2, we have covered what are the activity types and how it behaves in Primavera. Let's get started. We are going to assign activity relationships. So I am at start activity and I am going to assign successor activities. So under the activity details, we are under relationship section. Under relationship section, we have predecessors and we have successors. So simply, we are going to click assign button. This window is for successors. So if you read here, assign successors. Under this window, you have an option to select multiple columns, to filter out by activities such as critical, milestones, or all activities. You can also group or sort by. So if you click list, it will show you only list but not WBS. So for now, let's select WBS hierarchy. So it's easy to understand which activity we are going to assign as a successor. For a start activity, you know that we have shop drawing, which means we will be preparing shop drawings and getting approval in order to start our construction work. So simply we click shop drawing, click assign button. It might take few seconds and it will be assigned. Let's close the window. Now under the successor, we have activity ID, activity name, relationship type, leg, driving, relationship total floats. So relationship type, what is relationship type? There are total 4 types of relationship. I will explain you further and I will also explain to you how it works. But for now we are going to select FS, means finish to start. It means that when activity start will finish, then shop drawing will start. So finish, start. Now we are going back to shop drawing activity. So you have two options. Either you click here simply or you click go to button and it will take you to the activity. Now for shop drawing, we are going to assign another successor. So simply click assign button, click method statement, simply assign button. It might take again few seconds and it is assigned, close. Again, we are going to select finish start. So what we are saying, if we go through from start, so we are saying when we finish start activity, then shop drawing will start. Go to again, and then we are saying when shop drawing will finish, then method statement will start. But if you see the dates, all the dates is starting from 15th May 2020. However, we have already assigned the relationships. So why it is not changed? It should have changed, right? Let me tell you why it is not changed. We need to schedule the project. So simply click schedule again. And if you see start is 15th May, it remains same. Go to shop drawing, Shop drawing 15th May 2020 because start is a milestone activity and it has 0 duration. Then shop drawing is finishing on 26th and method statement starting on 27th May 2020. Shop drawing will finish, then method statement will start. So it's very simple and we have learned until now how to assign successor activity, how finish to start logic works. Now I am going to show you how to assign predecessor. Material order and delivery activity is required at least to finish shop drawing. So we will go to predecessor section. Simply click assign button. We have all the activities. We are going to select shop drawing. Click assign button. In a few seconds it will be assigned. It is assigned. Close the window. So it is assigned with FS relationship type. Now we need to schedule the project to see the sequence. So simply click schedule again, and here we go. Material order delivery is starting on 27th May and shop drawing is finishing on 26th May. Now at this time we are saying that once I start shop drawing, after 3 days I will start material order. Let's change the logic accordingly. I am going to click here, select SS, and what we said 3 days leg. So we are going to put here leg 3, enter, schedule the project, schedule again, and now it is showing shop drawing is starting on 15th May 2020. Material order is starting on 19th May 2020. I have left the activity method statement. So if you see there is no successor, we are going to use SF relationship. Let's assign material order and delivery activity. Assign simply. It is the same way we have assigned all the other activities. Close the window. We are going to select SF and schedule the project. Schedule again. If you see, on 27th May 2020, method statement activity is starting. Material order delivery is finishing on the same date. So that's how SF relationship work. What does it mean? It means that when method statement activity will start, then material order and delivery activity will finish. I am also going to show you how to assign multiple activities. So click on excavation, and after excavation we are going to assign successor as a structure activity. So press Ctrl, click structure, right click, link activities. So structure already assigned, we will change FS, go to structure. Now the remaining activities 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to assign all these activities in sequence. So simply when you select structure activity, you press shift, select all the activities until commissioning, right click, link activities. It might take few seconds and these activities will be assigned. So if you see here FS with masonry, go to masonry. Now MEP with FF, change FS, go to MEP, change the relationship FS, go to finishes, change as FS, go to commissioning, and from commissioning we will simply select finish activity and assign. Let us schedule the project, schedule again, and if you see here all these activities are in sequence. Now we are going to learn how to assign FF relationship. Now we are going to learn how to assign FF relationship. So I am at MEP and we have assigned successor activity finishes with FS relationship. Now I am going to change it to FF and let's run the project. Schedule again. Now you can see MEP is finishing on 16 June and finishes also finishing on 16 June. But I can give you another condition here. I am going to say when I will finish MEP after 2 days I will finishes activity. So simply you will go to MEP activity and put 2 days leg. Simply schedule the project, schedule again. So now if you see this bar, it is moved. So MEP is finishing on 16th June 2020 and finishes is finishing after 2 days means 18 June 2020. So far we have learned how to assign successors, how to assign predecessors. We also covered all the relationship types, how to assign finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish. SF relationship, which is start to finish, is not commonly used in the schedule. That's all for today. Give me your feedback in the comment box and subscribe my channel for more training videos.